हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी यज्ञा दयानंद गुरव तुमचं माझ्या यज्ञा ई लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करते. मुलांना आज आपण 8th स्टँडर्डचा जो 8th चॅप्टर आहे पॉल्युशन, त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवा आणि व्हिडिओला कमेंट करा. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया आपल्या क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सरला. फॉलोइंग आर सम स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट पोल्युशन. विच टाइप ऑफ पोल्युशन डू दस एक्सप्रेस? सो फर्स्ट वन आहे, फॉग सीम्स टू बी अपियरिंग इन दिल्ली ड्यूरिंग डे आवर्स. सो आन्सर इज एअर पोल्युशन. Many times vomiting and dysentery occurs after eating pani puri. So it's a water pollution. Problems of sneezing occur sometimes during visit to garden. It's air pollution. Crop does not grow up in some areas. It's soil pollution. People living in the busy squares face the problems like short breathing and other respiratory problems. So it's a air pollution. Then read the passage and identify the sentences expressing types of pollution. So I read the passage. Nilesh is a student of standard 8 and lives in urban area. It takes about an hour to go to the school by bus. He faces the heavy traffic of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, rickshaw, buses. So here the buses, it's air pollution while going, okay. Then while going to school, he is facing the problem of asthma. So asthma is due to air pollution. Since last few days, doctors recommended him to stay away from urban area. Since then, his mother sent him to the village of his maternal uncle. Nilesh saw the heap of garbage at many places in village. Foul smell of human and animal waste. So animal waste is a soil pollution also and air pollution also. Then was present at many places. Blackish water with soil smell. So blackish water with foul smell. So it's a water pollution. Was flowing in a stream. He developed some abdominal disease, that is water pollution, within few days. Okay. Then move to the next question. Match the pairs from A and B column and explain the effect of pollution on human health. So first, water containing cobalt, so it's a paralysis. Then methane gas, skin cancer. Water containing lead, mental retardedness. Sulfur dioxide, irritation of eyes. Nitrogen dioxide, inflammation of lungs. True or false? Water does not get polluted by washing the clothes in running water of river. So it's a false. More the use of electrical appliance, more will be the pollution. True. The next question, answer the following. What is pollution? So answer, pollution is any undesirable change that takes place in the environment which is harmful to both living and non-living things. Next question, what are pollutants? So pollutants are the harmful chemicals and substances that cause pollution. For example, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, pesticides, etc. What is acid rain? So answer is gases such as sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide and nitrogen dioxide when present in air combine with the water droplets present in the atmosphere to form acid droplets. These droplets remain suspended in air and fall down on the earth along with rain, thereby making the rain acidic. Such rain is called acid rain. Then next question, what is greenhouse effect? The increase in the average temperature of the earth's surface due to the increase in concentration of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, etc. is called greenhouse effect. The next question, which are visible pollutant known to you? So the answer, pollutants which are visible to our naked eyes are called visible pollutant. For example, sewage, plant and animal waste, pesticides, plastic, sand, etc. Which are invisible pollutants? So invisible pollutants are pollutants which are not visible to our naked eyes For example, fungi, virus, bacteria, gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Answer the following. Give two examples of each of water, soil and air pollution from your residential area. So the answer, sources of air pollution, burning of fuel like wood, kerosene, vehicle emissions from automobiles. Sources of water pollution, washing of clothes in flowing water bodies or release of domestic sewage into water bodies. Then sources of soil pollution, spraying of pesticide and insecticide on plants, mixing of waste of animals and plants. The next question, how does the pollution occur due to vehicles? Give the name of vehicles causing least pollution. Answer is, most of the vehicles are run on fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. These fossil fuels are burned in vehicle to produce energy which result in the production of smoke. This smoke contains harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, and ammonia and sulfur dioxide. There are various other kinds of vehicles which cause least or no pollution at all. For example, cycle vehicles run on CNG, electric cars, metro, etc. What are natural reasons for water pollution? So the answer is, the natural reason for natural reason of water pollution are presence of aquatic weed which depletes the oxygen contained of water bodies, excessive algal growth, then mud and sludge which are added to water bodies due to river currents and their diversions, growth of microbes like bacteria and fungi on that, and decaying matter present in water bodies. Next question suggests 4 preventive measures for air pollution. So the answer is, some of the measures that can be taken to prevent air pollution are as follows. Use of clean fuels such as CNG, LPG and unleaded petrol in public and private transport. Use of renewable sources of energy such as solar, wind and hydel energy. Planting more and more trees to prevent pollution. Then preventing burning of dry leaves and using them in composting. Then explain relation between greenhouse effect and global warming. So the answer is, greenhouse gases such as CO2, methane, etc. are gases that absorb the heat of the sun and the earth and emit it back to the earth's surface. Thus, these gases prevent a part of the heat rays from escaping into the atmosphere. This cycle is repeated several times to maintain the Earth's temperature to an optimum temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Therefore, up to a normal level, greenhouse gases help in maintaining the temperature on the Earth. However, the concentration of these gases has increased because of increased industrialization, which has led to the heating up of the Earth's surface. As a result, the overall temperature of the Earth has increased, resulting in climatic changes. During the last century, the temperature of the Earth has increased by 0.6 degrees Celsius. This has led to global warming. The greenhouse effect can be controlled by reducing the use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels produce greenhouse gases on burning. Next question, construct 2 slogans each on air, water and soil pollution. So the answer is, slogan on air, if you plant each day one tree, it will make your life pollution free. Stop being mean, keep the air clean. Slogan on water, save water and it will save you. Water is life. Slogan on soil pollution, don't spoil the soil. Soil is more valuable than oil. Classify the following pollutants into natural and man-made categories. So here pollutant and categories are divided. So first, sewage is the man-made, dust natural, pollen grains natural, chemical fertilizer man-made, vehicular smoke man-made, algae natural, pesticides man-made, waste of animal and plants natural. ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, इथे आपले जे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आहेत 8 चॅप्टरचे पॉल्युशनचे ते कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. होप तुम्हाला आजचा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तो नक्कीच आवडला असेल. आणि ऑफकोर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये याचं जे रीडेबल फॉर्ममध्ये तुम्हाला लिंक दिलेली आहे, तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही हे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स पुन्हा पाहू शकता, वाचू शकता. तर चला तर मग भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.